Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Nissan Patrol Custom and this is by Hotwheels and this is from the 57th anniversary edition and I bought it for 179 which is the MRP. So okay, I'm really sorry about the background noise guys, I can't control that. So okay, with that said, let's unbox this and see how this one looks. Okay. So okay, so when I was actually in Muscat a couple of years back, so my in-law actually bought a Nissan Patrol, to take us out. So that's the first time I actually went in a Nissan Patrol. I mean that car was absolutely massive and it was a really nice car actually. So you know, uh, I never knew this is the same one actually. But okay, this is a custom version. I understand, but I'm just saying. So the Nissan Patrol in real life looked really nice. So it is a really heavy duty vehicle. I mean, we drove like 150 kilometers or so, within an hour actually. So that was really nice. It was a really comfort and nice drive. Okay, so let's talk about this casting now. Okay, out of the box, hands down, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So every detailing on this one, including the sunroof, the interior, the engine detailing here, everything looks absolutely awesome. Okay, so the headlights are embossed; it is not painted. They don't have this Nissan. This is supposed to be the Nissan logo here. They embossed it, but it is not painted on. So there are no taillight details as well. I mean, they could have given taillight details on this one because it is just, I mean, plain in the rear. Nothing is there. So it doesn't have any complicated. I mean, how you can say? It's not a complicated casting or complicated protrusion or something like that in this casting. So they could have given that. So apart from that, you can see the Nissan name here and the reflectors. It has mud flaps here, that is really nice. All these are in golden color, that looks really awesome. And the interior looks really nice. And in the rear you can see something. Okay, this one is actually the stem which attaches to the chassis, so you can neglect that. But okay, there is something behind that. uh, you know the driver and passenger seat, you can see. I'm not sure what that is, but there is something there. Maybe it is a table you can fold on, I guess. So I'm not sure. If you guys know what it is, please drop it in the comments. That would be really helpful. It is a little bit heavy, not too much, but I don't see any paint issues or anything on this one, luckily, as of now. Yeah, there is nothing here, but the detailing on this one looks so beautiful. So this is what I'm actually expecting from Mattel on, like, at least the real life car based castings. That would elevate their level, to a different level, even for the beginners who wants to collect, or even the kids who wants to play with it and keep it as a memory for when they grow up and they look back. That will look really nice. Okay, so the body is fully metal, the chassis is plastic. So this rims looks really nice, and it really, the golden trim complements, the livery and the entire car. That is really awesome. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 40 grams. Wow, that is really nice. So I'm hoping that this is going to fit the track and roll really well. So let's try that. I don't think so it will roll, but let's see. Yeah, it is coming out of the track. It is actually a bit wider than the track itself. Okay, it has a lot of wheel wobble also. But it is smooth actually. Maybe if you have a wider track with you, I mean, there are some custom tracks, right? So if you are having those kind of tracks, this might roll, but I'm not sure about the wheel wobble and all. So see, wheel wobble issue is pretty common nowadays when it comes to Hot Wheels. I don't know how many people are actually going to play with it, but this is supposed to be played with, right? So if you are having this kind of uh, wheel wobble issues and all, that is going to, it is not going to roll really well. Okay, so let's rate this casting. So I'm taking 0.5 for this rear detailing, because I understand, they went with chrome on the front end, but it is not really that great, to be honest. See, they did rest of the detailing really well, but this this they missed out a little. They could have given at least a little bit of tail light detailing here, maybe in a white color or white with red, something like that. So that would have looked really cool. I mean, more beautiful than what it already is. So, and on top of that, I am reducing point 0.5 because it doesn't even roll really well at all. Because again, same track, most of the people are gonna be using, and this will be the exact casting you will be also getting. So that point 0.5 includes everything. It doesn't roll well and it has wheel wobble. So I am taking, uh, you know, 1 out of 10. So we are giving 9 out of 10 for this. So again, I would suggest this to people who actually knows Nissan, and how I can say, maybe this particular color, or in general custom cars, or again, if you guys depending on money for someone else, it depends upon your personal preference in that case. Because my first suggestion would be a custom Camaro, because uh, that looks really cool, and I mean, it looks, I don't know how I can say that, but all the three versions which I have, I do love that gray, grayish blue one really the most because of the livery itself. And next to that, I love this purple one, and third one going to be that black with red white combination, that one. So next to that, I would suggest this one because it has insane amount of detailing for the engine and everything here. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you love my video, subscribe. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.